Hello everyone. So today we are going to be looking at something quite interesting. It's all about taxes. So we are going to be looking at how to calculate taxes and selling price after taxes. Some of you all may be aware what taxes are. Now, if you heard of GST, that is one type of tax. So we are going to be looking at different type of taxes. Now, I want you to take a close look at this receipt. Many of y'all have been to a restaurant, pay your bills, but have you ever noticed what's on your receipt? Have you seen how much you're actually paying for your food? Is there an extra charges? Now, take a look at this bill here. I want you to focus on the red highlighted part, which says service tax. Now, if you look at closely the receipt, you only eat for $165. But then you need to pay $173.78. Why do you need to pay more? Now that's the thing. Now there is an extra fee that the McDonald's charges you, which they call it as a service tax. Now that's a fee that they charge you because they serve you the food. Okay, so ended up you eat for a certain amount, but you pay for more than what you eat. Now these are called taxes. Many organizations have implemented taxes. There are different types of taxes where you need to pay some extra fee as compared to what your actual or total bill is. Okay? Now these are some of the tax that we pay to the government because of the service that they rendered to us. So for example, hospitals, roads, airports and polices. And the main tax that we used are import duties, sales tax and income tax. Now let's take a look at some example. In the UK, the sales tax is 20%. What is the sale price of a mobile phone which costs $95 before the sales tax? So this means that $95 is your cost price. Okay, but they are charging you 20% tax. So first of all, find what is 20% of 95 first. So that would be 20 over 100 times 95. And that would give us $19. Now, next is they asking you what is the sale price. So your sale price would be your cost price, your original price, plus the tax that you need to pay. So your cost price is 95 plus the tax is 19. So altogether, you would have to pay $114. Now, there is another method that you can do to work this out. Okay. Now, whatever the original price, that represents 100%. So, 100% here is actually $95. But how much are we actually paying, or how many percentage we need to pay? Now we need to pay extra 20%. So 100% plus another 20%, that would be 120%. Now this 120% is what we need to pay, and that's the sale price. So all we need to do is find out what is 120% of $95. So 120 over 100 times 95. That will be $114. You would get the same answer as we do using method 1 as well. Now, whichever method that you feel comfortable and you understand, do it. Let's take a look at another example. The price of a mobile phone with 7% GST is 620 ringgit 60 cents. Now, this is the selling price. Find its price without GST, which means we want to know what the original price was or the cost price, and how much was the GST, so how much was the tax. Let's draw a model to help this out. Now we need to pay 7% GST. Now this is the additional percentage that we need to pay from our cost price. Our cost price is always 100% because that's the original price, and we need to pay an additional 7% as a tax. So in total, we now need to pay 107%. Now 107% is the selling price. Now what is the selling price? That's $160.60. So let's write an equation for that. So 107% is equivalent to $620.60. Let's find out what 1% is. So 1% would mean 620 divided by 107. That would be $5.80. Now we know what 1% is. Now we need to find out what is the price without GST. Now without GST simply means the original price. And our original price is 100%. So what is 100%? 100% is 580 times 100. That would give us 580. Now the next question is, how much was the GST? Now we know that the GST is 7%. We know how much 1% is. So 7% is 7 times $5.80, and that would give us $40.60. Alternatively, you can also find how much the tax was or the GST was by taking our selling price minus our original price, and that would give us a tax which is $40.60. Now have a go at this question. Play the video when you're ready. Okay, let's check. Jenna needs to buy a book that costs $140. Now that will be our original price. A sales tax of 6% is imposed. That's our tax. She has $150. Will she have enough to purchase? If so, how much will the remaining be after she has purchased the book? Let's use method 1 here. Let's first find out what is our tax first. Okay, so there is 6% of tax imposed on our cost price. So of 140. Now that would be 6 over 100 times 140. That would be 840. So that's our tax which we need to pay, $8.40. So the selling price after tax would be the cost price plus the tax, which is 140 plus $8.40, and that would be $148.40. So does Jen have enough money? Yes, definitely. So how much is the remaining be after she has purchased the book? So she had 150. Now if you minus with the selling price, which is $148.40, that would give us $1.60. Now this is your task. Please complete this in your exercise book showing complete working. Once you're done with that, check your answers. You can find the answers on the next few slides. Mark them, and when you complete it, please take a snapshot and send it on Google Classroom. So all the best till I see you then.